what we're gonna do right here is go back. Way back. Back into time.
At a club, disco, lounge, house, basement, or block party.